All right, you guys. Well, Lord knows it's been a little bit. We are back. We're in the same house. The bathroom, the shower, and everything we just got done doing upstairs. This is downstairs in their master. Okay, we got a skinny little stand-up shower. Surround right here, right by the window. We're going to get all this out right where Tom's at. And then we're going to get this ancient corner tub out of here and all this tile off the wall. What's really cool about this one is she's already got this little theme up here. Obviously with the seashells, all that stuff. So this is a special kind of painting they used. Just really cool what they did with it. It's got like the beach theme and everything going. So this is 1, 2, 3. We got kind of everything situated over here. We're going to be redoing and painting all these cabinets, and this is where 3 of those epoxy countertops are going. This is coming out. This is coming out. We're going to do a really pretty walk-in shower right here and stop short of the window seal. And then all that's going to be tiled, real pretty tile, back over to catch the cabinets when all that gets removed. So we got quite a little bit of work in here to do, but this is going to be a really cool one. And it'll go really well now that we did the upstairs when they actually have a place to go upstairs, shower, and do everything they need to do while we're working on this one here right off their bedroom. All right, you guys, so look, check it out. We're standing here at the entrance of the bathroom, and check this out. There it is. Look at that. So now you see the tile and everything. We are missing a counter, the center one that overhangs these two. I'm going to show you. We're getting ready to bring that here real soon. We've been dodging weather, snow, all kinds of goodies, but she got to keep all her decor up here, everything. And I want to walk you on in. Look, I'm going to keep this little surprise here. I don't want you to see over here in this corner yet. So let's just start right here. Look at the shower. Boy, that shower turned out nice. So look. See them corners. Beautiful corners. Got all that to hit really well. This floor is pitched at exactly 2 degrees. Anytime we do rock, we always want the shower floor, our deck mud, everything. We always want that pitched at 2 degrees. Water sets right up there. Gets in your corner, what have you. It's out of that corner like instantly. Look, check this out. Hey, Tom, it's a good thing I didn't hit the wrong one. Yeah, so this is really super cool, man. Really nice. Got the white curb. Got a little button right here. She can switch right over to that wand. Thank goodness that wasn't sitting there pointing. Switch to the wand. That would have lit me right up. Now look, as we come out though, look at this. Bam. So that's what we did there. That garden tub come out. We were tossing around a bunch of different ideas, tile the wall, what have you. She loves shiplap. So we stood up all her shiplap and then ended up finding that little corner guy perfectly. And right there in those doors, look at that. It's like mini me sitting right in there. So it just went really well with everything. We capped that up top, trim-wise. Did a little double bevel right up there and then reversed that down there on the bottom. But she loves it. Absolutely loves it. Look at these counters. Everything turned out good. She's got all her little starfish and seashell and all those cool little knobs that go with the rest of her decor up here. Remember I told you we're still missing that one. We're getting ready to bring that one. But look at those guys. So that's a wrap. That is a wrap in here on this one, you all. Bring that last little counter in. They're already using their shower, using everything, loving it. Look at that view. So until the next one, you all, we will see y'all back really soon. We're going to start another shower starting tomorrow. We got some other epoxy countertops coming up. So as always, till the next one.